guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look. This is for those of you who are like me this year that have zero Halloween spirit. I don't know what happened. I think October just came way too quickly and is going way too quickly. And I don't know. I don't know what happened this year. I'm not feeling it this year. I still wanted to create a look that's Halloween themed that you can wear if you are going out on Halloween or to any Halloween event. If you don't feel like dressing up and caking on a bunch of prosthetics, then this look is for you. Because, it's just it's got Halloween vibes to it, But I actually really like this look. I love a dark lip, But if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start off by adding some scotch tape to my eyes, just kind of as a guideline. I don't really normally do this only because I feel like my eyes are not symmetrical at all. But sometimes this just makes it a little easier if I am doing a smoky kind of liner. So we're going to cheat today and use some tape. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette today. I haven't used this in a while and it was my go-to for the longest time because it pretty much just has every single shade you could ever need in here. And I really want to use this dark plum, so we're going to use this today. So I'm first just going to take a big fluffy blending brush. This is a Morphe R40 and I'm going to put the shade name on the screen because I don't have the little thing that it came with. I know the newer palettes have the names on them, but mine's from the first launch, so I don't have all the names. But I'm just going to take this light brown, it's the third shade in. Any light brown will do. And I'm just going to blend this on the crease, and I'm probably going to put it all over my lid because the focus is going to be on the smoky liner today. Gonna take a flat shader brush, just a Japanese one, and take that same light brown and put it all over my lid. We're gonna take this deep plum shade right here on a pencil brush. This is a Morphe M431, and we're just gonna start smoking the liner out. I'm gonna take that and start creating a winged out kind of shape, appearance, liner with eyeshadow. So I made this tape a little higher just because this wing was a lot more lifted looking. So the eyeshadow that I have underneath this will just wipe off afterwards. So it might just look a little weird as I'm doing this. Now I'm just going to take the black from this palette and go in with an angled brush and put that below the plum color. Okay, so this is about as good as it's gonna get. I know it's not perfectly symmetrical, but my face is literally not symmetrical at all. I swear on my life. So, okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Inglot gel liner, number 77. This is the blackest liner in my opinion. And I'm just going to add that to my lash line just to deepen it a little bit more, even though we did go in with black eyeshadow and I'm going to be going in with glitter. So you can skip this step if you want, but I just want it a little bit deepened, especially since we are going to be putting lashes on. So my original plan was to do a glitter liner and that's just kind of have the eyeshadow show through. But since the eyeshadow is heavier, I don't know if I just want to kind of spread the glitter out. I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go in with the Heavy Metals, the Urban Decay Heavy Metals Stix Stones glitter liner. This is like purple and gold kind of mixed in there, But I'm going to take a little brush, just pat some of it on there. And then I'm just going to press it around where we have the liner. Before I go in with mascara and lashes, I am going to prime my skin. I kind of like to prime my skin at this step or even before I do my eyes because I like the primer to sit on my skin for a while. I just completely forgot. So I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever Step 1 Equalizer. This is the hydrating one. For mascara today, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, and we are going to curl those lashes first because that is a very important step in my opinion, especially if you're going to be throwing on lashes. You want them to look nice and lifted and not, you know, covering your entire eyeball. We are going to be going in with lashes, and Lavishly She Is Beauty, or Lavishly She Is on Instagram, sent me a bunch of lashes and they are just so pretty. Look how cute this box is. It says Lash Box and then it says Lavishly She Is, and it's pink and glittery and the most girly lash box I've ever seen in my life. Inside it says Confidence Breeds Beauty, which is true. And just look how cute. I'm going to be inserting clips of all the lashes I got so you can get a closer view of them. They also have this black and gold box, which I like because I love black and gold. But they're just so gorgeous. Like I said, I'm going to be inserting clips so you can get a closer view of all the styles that I received. The great thing about these lashes is that you can actually wear them up to about 25 times, so you're really getting a bang for your buck. They normally are $29.95, but right at this moment they're actually marked down to $15.91, so basically half the price. I do have an affiliate code. It's just BrittyBop. That will save you an extra 5%. And they also do offer free 3-day shipping if you do buy 2 styles or more. Personally, with any lash brand, I like to order at least 2 styles just because, I don't know, one's just never good enough for me. I don't know. But if you do only order 1 style, they also do offer free same-day shipping. I'm going to be going in with the style What the Fluff today. They're just super wispy, but they are more dramatic. So, I mean, I love wispy style lashes. I just feel like they suit my eye the best, but these are still really dramatic, so I feel like it's perfect for this Halloween look. Lashes really just take a look from here to all the way up here. Move on to the face since we already primed. I think I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way. This in the shade Natural Beige. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Rich to cream contour. I used to use this all the time to cream contour and then I stopped. Just remember, a little goes a long way with this. I'm just going to do like dot, 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 and then I'll go back and do my nose. You want to blend this out pretty quickly. I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape to conceal the center areas of my face. I really want to try the new Huda Beauty concealer because I thought it was being overhyped, but I've seen some people use it and I'm like, I need to try that. And the Jouer one I've heard good things about. I'm going to do a little bit of baking with the KKW baking powder. This is number 2, which has more of a peachy undertone. Just a little hint, if you do use this, apply it dry, not with your damp sponge like a lot of people do. That's what I normally do, but this powder works so much better if you just apply it dry, and I know that's how like Makeup by Maro used it on her, so that's the way it's supposed to be used. Just if maybe you do have it and it wasn't working for you, maybe that's why. I would just try it dry. For highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter. This is coming back in stock. It was a limited edition, but I guess it just did so well that they're bringing it back. Love this highlighter. For bronzer, I'm going to be going in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer. I'm going to do some contouring today with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette because it's Halloween. Why not carve out the cheeks a little bit more? For blush, I'm actually going to be using this e.l.f. blush. This is in the Rosy Blush Duo. And I just like to mix these two, mostly this one. We're going to finish off the eyes now. I'm going to take that first light brown shade we used on a pencil brush. Just run that along the lower lash line. I'm going to go in with that deep plum color and only put it on the outer part of my lower lash line. Part of me doesn't want to add anything else to the lower lash line, like not even mascara. Is that weird? It just looks so smashed. I think I'm gonna leave it bare. Just the little bit of eyeshadow we put down. Added a little dot on each eye of the Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter liner in Distortion. Just as a little pop, you know? For lips, I'm first going to go in with the NYX Suede lip liner in the shade Stone Fox. It's just like a deep, deep grayish shade. For lips, I'm going to go in with the Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Magic Matte. The shade that inspired this whole look. I should have used, if you can really see it, but it just has a black base with a bunch of purple, blue, gold, silver little flexes in it, so that's what inspired these eyes today, and I just really wanted to wear it. And when else am I going to get to wear this lipstick? I mean, I guess I could really wear it any day of the week. Lastly, I picked up this Rimmel London Ink Me tattoo stamp. I got the skull one because Halloween, but they also had like stars and I think a lightning bolt. I was going back and forth between the star and this one, but I figured it just goes. So it's literally just like a little stamp. I'm guessing it's made out of like eyeliner, so you can just stamp it on. You don't have to worry about designing something yourself. We like to take the easy route here. So where should I put this? This is the hard part. Once you put this on, that's it. Like here. Here. Make sure it's not upside down. That would be me. How cute. Wow. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you are also just sticking to, you know, Halloween themed makeup this year, or even regular makeup, regular glam, because you are just lacking the spirit like me. It's okay. We always have next year. I hope. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I mean, I know my ponytails are lopsided today, but it's not going to always be like that. So just hit the subscribe button so you can see next time that my hair is a little bit more symmetrical. I don't know, it only takes 2 seconds. No pressure, no pressure. Hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I really think I'm going to start wearing the skull like every day. Maybe get it tattooed on. I don't know, maybe I'll get the star one and wear that every day. I don't know, I really like this. Like, why is it that something like a little dot or a little object or whatever, like, why is that so flattering? I mean, maybe it's not to you, but I'm really trying to hold in my sneeze right now. That's really what's happening.